Robert Granda here with Matt Walker from Oak City Pizza Co. in Edmond, Oklahoma at Pizza Expo. How you doing today, Matt?
Doing fine, man. Doing good.
Hey, Matt, tell me a little bit about how you got into pizza.
Well, it started back, I had one of my good friends from church. He asked me about, or he told me about Fire Within, and this is about 5 years ago. And I looked it up, and he went ahead and went to the school, came back, said it was awesome. And so then I went, and we ended up purchasing a 27-foot trailer with a brick oven on the back. And we ran that for about 3 years, still run it. And then we were fortunate enough to open up our first brick and mortar, actually during COVID, like literally when COVID started. But business kept just getting better and better. And so the end of last year, we opened up our second location, and it's in December. And so we do one place we do brick oven. Our first place is just brick oven. Second place, we've got a Pizza Master 3-deck, and we do Detroit's hand tossed, and we also do brick oven there too.
Wow, that's great. Matt, what is your inspiration for pizza?
I've always loved pizza, and I'm the kind of guy that when I do something, I kind of gather everyone's opinion on everything. I look at their pizzas, what I like, what I don't like about them, and then I just make my own. I try to stand firm with the rules, if you will, of like Detroit style and your hand tossed and your Neapolitan and all that stuff. And I want it to be, I want to make it the best pizza that you can have. And it's very rewarding when you have customers tell you that they feel the same way about your pizza as you do.
That's great. Let me take you back, Matt. And what are your first memories of pizza when you first got into it?
Man, when I first got into it, it was the dough. Being patient with the dough. I didn't, be honest, the only experience I had with dough was Pillsbury dough. In a can. Growing up, Mom would make the grandma pizzas with that. I always loved the 80s. I was born in 79, but I always loved the 80s Domino's pizza. I just loved it. I love the consistency of it, the chew, all that stuff. Now we're trying to do the same kind of thing with our restaurants now. We want to bring that old school 80s, 90s. Hey, it's Pizza Friday. Let's take the family out. Let's go have a good time, sit down and have a good pizza and beer kind of thing.
Where do you usually put your mobile pizza operation?
Right now we do like 11 to 1 usually for Monday through Friday for large corporations. Like they'll call us and they'll say, hey, we got these open, or we'll contact them. And we also do a lot of weddings, wedding rehearsals, and large areas. Like FedEx Ground actually called us. They gave us 3 days. They said, we need 850 pizzas. Can you do it? And we're like, yes, we can. So we did it, and it was amazing. And it was a great payday for sure.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. I mean, it's a great mobile business. Yes. Let's go on the other side. What have been some of your challenges with your pizza business?
Man, I would say COVID kind of everyone knows about the supply chain. We started noticing the plastics first. It was hard to get the plastic forks. Knives, we couldn't get them at all. And then the cardboard plates and stuff like that started getting harder, because that's all we use is cardboard plates. And then we had to switch to styrofoam, and then so I would say that was one of the toughest things. But we kind of figured out with our mobile business, we would go to a neighborhood, get a hold of their HOA, and they would let all their, the HOA members of that neighborhood let them know, we're going to text your orders in from this time to this time. And once we get there, we just start piping them out, and they would come get them. And it was COVID friendly. One person at a time would come up, and we almost quadrupled our revenue. It was unbelievable. We couldn't sell enough pizza.
That is certainly incredible. How's the brick and mortar working out for you?
Man, it's going. Both Matt and I are. We used to. He worked in a. He's never worked in a restaurant. I worked in here and there. I was a bartender when I was in my early 20s. Then I would do the servers and stuff like that. But I kind of remembered the restaurant business and how demanding it is. And but we are doing great. I would say 99.9% of our customers are satisfied. You always have some people you just can't make happy, but that's okay. We put a smile on our face. We do our best.
Yeah, that's certainly true. Tell me just a little bit about Wood-Fired University. What did you get out of that?
We met a lifelong friend. You may have heard him, Siler Chapman. He was actually in the class with us, and we're still buds to this day. The community that you have with the university, the lifelong friends that you make, and it's the forums. You know, you can just text your buddy that you met, or on the forums through Facebook, whatever, and just ask a question. Hey guys, I'm having this trouble, and you'll have 50 comments from people helping you. Hey, I know what's wrong. I know this is wrong, and it's just the closeness that you get in the community.
A lot of support and community, and a lot, which is really important. Matt, tell people how they can find you if you're on social media or website.
Yeah, we're at Oak City Pizza Co. That's OAK City Pizza Co. On Facebook and Instagram, and we also, our website is oakcity.pizza.
Perfect. And you're located in Edmond, Oklahoma.
Edmond, Oklahoma. Yeah, that's just a little north of Oklahoma City.
Thanks a lot, Matt.
Thank you.